This practice is a gentle invitation to come back to yourself. When you feel overwhelmed or anxious, taking a few moments to check in and find a quiet place in your mind can help everything feel a little more still. By focusing on a peaceful scene and noticing how it feels in your body, you can move away from that heavy or frantic feeling and toward a sense of calm. Find a position that feels supportive. Let your body choose what feels most comfortable to you. Close your eyes or let your gaze rest softly. Before we move into the breath, simply bring your awareness to your body. Notice where you might be holding on to something. You may feel a tightness or a heaviness. Just notice where that feeling lives in your body. Observe the sensation and the emotion that might be resting beneath it. Allow it to be exactly as it is. Now we invite the breath to move through your body. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose. Follow the cool air as it travels down into your chest and your abdomen. Hold it for a few brief moments. Now exhale slowly through your mouth. Imagine the breath leaving your body and taking a layer of that tension with it. Take another deep breath. Follow the path of the air as it weaves down your spine and expands your ribs. As you exhale, let your shoulders drop. Feel yourself settling deeper into the surface beneath you. Take one more deep breath. Fill your lungs completely, feeling the life in your body. As you let this breath go, feel the stillness of the room. With your body settled, imagine you are walking along a soft, mossy path in the heart of an ancient forest. The ground beneath you is springy, cushioned by centuries of fallen leaves and pine needles. The air is fresh and crisp, carrying the deep, woodsy scent of pine and the grounding aroma of damp, rich earth. Look up through the high canopy. See how the sunlight filters through the layers of green, creating shifting patterns of light and shadow on the forest floor. As you walk, the forest speaks to you. You hear the distant melodic song of birds hidden high in the branches, their calls echoing softly through the stillness. In the distance, you hear a gentle stream. Follow that sound. It leads you to a bright clearing where the crystal clear stream bubbles over smooth ancient stones. Find a place to sit on the bank. As you settle, feel the warmth of the sun on your skin. Reach down and touch the moss beside you. Dig your fingers just slightly into the plush green, feeling how it holds the coolness of the earth. Listen to the rhythmic sound of the water as it flows past. Notice how it never stops, moving effortlessly around every stone and branch in its path. Allow that sense of flow to enter you. Find the exact spot in your body where peace lives right now. Perhaps it is in your chest or your abdomen. Let that feeling expand with every breath, moving outward like ripples on the water. As you stay with this feeling, allow a color to come to mind that represents this peace. Don't search for it, let it find you. It might be the emerald green of the moss, the gold of the sun, or something entirely different. Imagine this color beginning to glow within the scene, shimmering in the mist of the stream. See it moving through the air, gently filling your own body. Watch as it travels through your chest, down to your fingertips, and all the way to your toes, until you are completely bathed in this light. You are the forest, you are the water, and you are this light. To keep this feeling with you, choose a physical anchor. You might gently press your fingers together or place a hand over your heart. Feel that physical touch. Remind your body that this stillness is a part of you. Take a moment to check back in with the area where you felt tension earlier. Notice if the sensation or the emotion has shifted. Even a tiny softening is enough. As you prepare to return to your day, remember that this place is always here. If you feel yourself becoming overwhelmed or anxious, you can return to this path. Take just a minute to find your breath, use your anchor, and come back to the quiet of the woods. When you are ready, gently wiggle your fingers and toes and open your eyes.